All right, it is 7 February, a Monday. A brisk, I think about 32 degrees today, warming up. We are in doing hardwood floors, and I am with Olmec Reflections. As I said, we're getting ready to do some hardwood thing around. What we've done so far today, it's about lunchtime, we've been here about 9 o'clock. Around the edges, we take the shoe molding toe board, whatever you want to call it, we take that all off. And then we come in and we remove as many doors as we can, the area we're going to work. Return, heat duct. Over there's another one. We pull them all off. Closet doors, we pull them off. Well, the racking, we usually don't pull it out because it's flexible enough that it will move over out of the way. Oh, that one's real flexible because the screw's not. We just took that shoe rack off. We stack all the shoe molding. If they want to reuse it, they put it on their shelf. We do offer that service to remove it. No cost to remove it. It is a cost to put it back on. We put the registers up in here. So that one is on the wall over here. That one goes right there. And so we try to put them out in order as they're in here, so it's not, because we probably will not put them down because the last coat of poly will be drying, so we normally don't put that stuff down. Then we sweep. We sweep all around. You would not believe what comes out around the shoe molding. Well, I'm gonna make a believer out of you. I swept this one, the master bedroom, in this hallway, and all this stuff is hid up behind the shoe molding. So there's quite a bit that packs underneath there. Quarters, nickels, dimes, pennies, all kinds of stuff. And then we're going to do, with all our stuff laid out, all our work materials is all in here. We are not doing this room in here. This is a family room, and off back there is a dining room. So we will not be doing those. We'll transition right over here into the hallway. It's easy to transition when the boards are going this way. If they were going this way, it would be a pain, more of a pain. It can be done, but it's just easier doing it with them that way. We're gonna do these steps, landings, closet here. I have to remove that door. So up here, we started pulling the shoe molding off around this corner, and it's a different, I don't know, you don't normally see it kind, and it just does, it's just breaking apart. So I'm going to forego taking the shoe molding off up here. It's just going to mess the trim boards up. I stopped right there. As you can see, it cracked the board right there, and this is not, I don't know if you can get this or not. So I'm not going to take the shoe molding off. The bottom little piece right there, I'm not going to take it off. Doors has been removed up here. It has not been swept. The machine is upstairs. We'll probably start at the upstairs. And I stuck the doors back in the attic so to get them out of the way, so I didn't have to take them all the way downstairs. And then the hardwood floor goes in to the back of that, so we got to get in there anyway. So take the doors off, store them someplace, and we're going to get up here and we're going to start sanding up here. My helper should be here sometime soon, and then we'll get started up here. We'll sand 30, 60, 100 up here with the edger and the drum sander. This up here it's been done before, and oh my goodness. It must have been the very first time because, well, that's dresser stuff right there. That's probably where the dresser screwed in. But you can see down here all of the edger markings coming along here. So this should respond pretty good. It's not got a whole lot of poly on it, so, and a lot of it's wore out. So not the wood, the poly on top is wore out. So it probably won't, it'll probably be a fast pass with a 36 and then 100, no, 60, 100. And you kind of just got to stay in that pattern, you know, 36, 100. Damn, I can't get my numbers right. 36, 60, 100. So you want to just kind of break it down and smooth it out a little bit smoother, and then I probably will drag the buffer up here and maybe go over it with 150. We'll just have to see how some of these, well, I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably in the camera, you can see all these scratches and stuff in these floors, and you'd think they would come out, but that's incredibly deep into the wood. I mean, my fingernail will hit it. So they're not expecting perfect floors, but they will look shitloads better than what they do here. So, day one. All right, this is Don. I am out. Getting on this machine here. All right, see y'all.